So students, we are going to study the chapter Urban Administration. So before starting the chapter, you should know about what is municipal corporation and what is municipal council. Okay. So firstly, we are going to talk about municipal council. That in India, municipal council, municipality or Nagar Palika is a urban area or urban local body that is a urban local body that administers a city of population 1 lakh or more. So it is a urban local body that administers a city of population 1 lakh or more. Okay. So next, what they are saying is that what is municipal corporation? That it is a local government in India that administers urban area with population more than 1 million. So where it operates, where the population is more than 1 million, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay, and in the urban area, it operates in the urban area. Okay. Functions of municipal corporation, that it takes care of street light, garbage collection is its work, clean water supply, keeps streets, markets clean, ensures that disease do not break out in the city, runs school, hospitals, and dispensaries. Ward counselor. Okay, so what is they are talking about ward counselor and administrative staff. The city is divided into different wards, and the ward counselors get elected. Okay, so they are saying that the city is divided into different wards, and people of each ward elect their own counselor. Complicated decisions are taken by a group of counselors who form committees to decide and debate. So what they are saying that the tough decisions and complicated decisions are made by group of counselors who then form the committees and decide upon a particular issue, and even they also debate. So commissioner and administrative staff implement on these decisions. Okay. Commissioner, counselor. Okay, counselors are elected and commissioner and administrative staff are appointed. So elected is by the group of people, by the people of an area, but commissioner and administrative staff are appointed. So counselors are elected by the particular ward or the people of an area, but commissioner and administrative staff are appointed by the government. Okay. Ward counselors meet and make a budget and spend accordingly. So ward counselor, what they used to do, they meet and make a budget and spend accordingly. How does municipal corporation get its money? Okay. So through the tax is what money people pay to government for the various services. Okay. And then they are talking about property tax, tax for education and other amenities. Subcontracting and its disadvantages. Now they are saying that in recent times the commissioner of several municipalities thought to save the money, and what they did, they hired private contractors to collect and process garbage. What are the disadvantages of subcontracting? That the jobs of the workers are temporary, the collecting garbage is such a dangerous job, and there is no access to safety measures also. Okay, they are not given safety gloves or safety clothes, apron, anything else which is related to safety measures, and even when they got injured they are not taken care. So one of the very famous or very important story given in this chapter you should know about, that this is the story of Yashmin Kala. So what they are saying that the children were playing in the street, and what happened, one of the child among them, Rihanna, hit the ball so hard that the street light broke down, and the children immediately rushed to Rihanna's mother, as her no as her house was very close to that street. So her mother sent the children to Yasmin Khala's house. Okay. Then Yasmin Khala answered their questions very patiently and told them a story of Gangabai. She told that Gangabai was very frustrated with the uncollected garbage in their area, and she, with along the other people of that locality or the street, went to the counselor, because counselor is a person who was elected by them and it is his responsibility to take care of his area. Okay. Then what they did, they complained to the counselor against the uncollected garbage, and also told the bad effects of the garbage in the street. Okay. Then due to the efforts of Gangabai, she told the commissioner that it is really bad if you are collecting the garbage of rich people areas, the posh areas, and when it comes to the poor people area you say that you don't have enough trucks. So commissioner realized his mistake and the area was cleaned regularly. Okay, due to the efforts of Gangabai, their area was cleaned regularly. Thank you so much.